na, sir.
Oh, you already know how to swim. You just slept overnight?
Hindi na lang talaga, hindi pa.
Look up sa sky!
Look!
Hey, look up pa dun sa sky, ha? Look up pa, go. Up! Yan, up! Very good, up! Big pass! Up! Mabili kayo, sir? Mabili kayo sa Mercury?
Wala sa Mercury sa ano yun? Medica?
Meron.
Yung mga medical supply?
Oo. Goggles.
Goggles no.
Up! Move your hands! Move your hands! Oh. Up! Mano! Mano! Mano!
1, 2, 3, blow, then up.
Diba? After 3
Count.
look up sa sky, di ba? Dali, go. Diba, pacing itong bata na to, oh.
Ha?
Tagal, oh. Oh. Ang tagal. Haba lang iniya, oh. Up! Up! Easy boy. Go! Down, go! Bitaw mo si Coach, bitaw!
Oh. Gi.
Yan, ganyan ha. Okay? And after 3, inuha ka pa sa sky. Ano na, tumingin na. Wait lang. Go! Bitaw!
Kuya, no.
Manu, no.
Gonna do that, Kuya.
Kuya, no.
Move your hands! Up! Move your hands! Up! Ang galing na. Up! Ah! Up! Move your hands! Mano! Up! Up!
No. You have to move your hands, no.
Kick faster pa, tapos move your
Kick
hands.
faster.
Ha? Ikaw, go.
Miggy.
Bitaw, let go!
Papa.
Sa ilalim ng ito.
Papa. Papa. Later. Later,
Move your hands, Gi.
Go! High five! Very good ah!
Oh.
Ine.
Move your hands, te, ha? Move your hands.
Ano ka pa sa sky ha? Kick faster ha? Up! 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 Go there! Kick fast! Up!
Okay, very good.
Please go, go.
Si Miggy na lang. Miggy. Very good.
What are you saying?
One more time. Going back. Te. I'll go the other side, ha? Don't jump. Again, faster. Don't jump anymore.
Papa, I saw na Papa.
Miggy, no. Okay. Very good. Swim lying down. Can you do? Lying down. Go there lang in the baby pool. Miggy, here's a coin. You get it, ha? Go. Look for the coin. You can do it, Miggy. You can do it. Look for the coin. Go, Miggy. Go. Very good, Miggy. Ano na? Get the coin. Diyan lang, Gi, sa side. Side. There.
Mahulog ka dyan.
Kay kasi. Give it to me. Give it to me. Miggy, give it to me.
Papa, racing
Give it to
kami
me.
pa doon daw. Papa, racing kami pa doon.